Alrighty guys, December 21st, so if you're watching this, the world hasn't collapsed yet. But before it does, if it does, I got some repairs to do. My table here, which is now a mess, I've had it for like ever. But the chairs are starting to get loose on them. I keep tightening the, as you can see if I hold this down, I keep tightening the Allen screws, but they keep loosening, and I actually had one of my chairs give way on me. So for the last month, maybe 2 months, I've had it redneck fixed. So there's the chair in question. I have to fix the others before they actually snap, but this one is actually held together with ye old professional fix ratchet strap. So I'm gonna do the redneck fix. And I've bought this a couple months ago to fix it, and I bought one of these because Home Hardware only had one at the time, so I asked them to order up some more for me, and the only thing that came in was red one, so stuck getting a red one and a gray one, but at least they're in, and at least I can fix it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that ratchet strap off and show you exactly what happened to about 3 people here. So as you can see, the chair looks pretty sweet, but this is what usually, this was kind of like the trick chair here. People sat on it, and this is what happened. So the wood has actually split. Yeah, she's pretty chewed up, and so as I said, we're gonna PL the shit out of it and make it solid again. And eventually get to all of them, undo all the screws, put some PL in it, clamp it together, screw it back together, and hopefully we don't have this problem again, because as I said, I've had this set for quite a long time. Actually, it was from way back when, me and my sweetheart. Alrighty. Well guys, let's get at her. I'm going to, I don't know, get my caulking gun and shit together. Me trusty, actually I just picked this one up today because I couldn't find my other one. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, hopefully you can see okay because I can't see a thing through that LCD screen, but as I said, it's December 21st, so before the world blows up, I need my shit fixed. Because God forbid, if the world ended and my shit weren't fixed. Now, a lot of you guys don't realize that you actually have to poke in the center of that, because it's got cellophane or whatever you want to call it, but just make sure you poke it really good. Maybe just make that hole really good down there, because if not, you end up doing what most, if it's really thick stuff, ends up coming back through that way. That's not a good thing. So get this all together. Clean that up with the redneck cloth. Sweet. I'm pretty sure this is pretty thick stuff, so oh, get this old crap already. clamps and stuff. Sweet, first time I used this. Nice. Hope that's right. I guess the only difference is, nothing. No difference. Cool. Alright. So I'm not even going to bother tightening any of this. I'm just going to slap a bunch of PL around the crap and get some in these holes real good. Here, maybe a little more along the wood here and here. Pinch her together and get her done. Wow, even lost some chunks of wood in this stuff. Knobs in there. Hopefully tomorrow should be good as new. People are getting sick of falling down in my house.
It's actually really fun.
Sweet. Wow, this stuff's like really goopy. I love it. Alright, come on. Oh no, she's gonna keep coming out! Stop coming out! Stop already! Oh, you're gonna have a huge mess to clean up. I apologize, I'm like massively tired today. A lot of stuff to do going on. Oh, this stuff ain't even gonna stop coming out. Oh. Okay, so apparently this is self-feeding. Non-stop flow PL. And I've even loosened it so there's no pressure. So we're just gonna lay this on a flyer and let it kind of ooze itself out for a day or two, I guess. Alright. Sweet. Alrighty. Cool. Just gotta find the hole. Oh yeah. Alright, hon. I'm gonna need your help. You just lift that up a little bit. Oh, I didn't loosen it enough. There we go. Oh, I love these. They're like one-hander jobs. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna have to do it from the inside because it's not totally flush. Nice, this is my first clamp thing. I like them. I like them a lot. Clamping never made it so easy. It looks to be even. Nice. Yeah. Sweet. So, that's how that is. I like these clamps. A little bit of squeegeeing out to do, some cleanup. Not too much there either. But it looks like it's all nice together. So, yeah, I don't know, these clamps, I hope they last. They just don't feel strong, you know? Like, look at this one here, the red ones. It seems like they're made out of a little cheaper plastic than the gray ones. I don't know. Maybe they might have cheaped out on the newer replacements, but looks like it's gonna work out pretty good. So that's really awesome. Man, I can't believe how much it actually took. And this stuff, is it still running? Nope, it stopped. So you don't have to squeeze it a lot because it's self-running. Alrighty guys, well that's my fix for the night, and hopefully, because it is only 12:39 December 21st, so hopefully it'll be glued together and dry before this asteroid or planet or whatever's supposed to hit us. Because like, I can't have broken chairs when the world's coming to an end. Next up, I got the cupboard faces. I'm just gonna glue them. Same as this one here, like this whole piece is missing, so I'm just gonna fill her in and PL her together and see how it turns out. I'm gonna go PL crazy next couple of days. Sweet. Oh, what else? I'll find something to PL.
Shut up.
Cheers. Oh, excuse me, had a cold. That's alright. Got lots of medicine. Cheers, guys.